Hello students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to describe you the Ring episode which is very significant in the play The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. This play is mentioned in the syllabus of BA Part 1st, English Literature, Paper 1st. This is my 8th video lecture on the play The Merchant of Venice. The Ring episode presents an interesting and entertaining situation in the play Merchant of Venice. It is beautifully winds up the plot in the atmosphere of joy. Portia had given a ring to Bassanio at the time of her marriage. It was the token of her love and affection. Portia had charged Bassanio to keep this ring safe and never part away with it. Similarly, Nerissa, friend of Portia, had given a ring to Gratiano, her husband, and had taken a promise from him that the ring would not be parted at any cost. Portia and Nerissa had played an important part in saving the life of Antonio, friend of Bassanio. Portia had been the judge who saved Antonio's life. Nerissa had been her clerk. After Antonio's life was saved, Bassanio, out of gratefulness for the judge, wanted to offer 3,000 ducats. Portia was not prepared to accept the money. She only wanted Antonio's gloves and Bassanio's ring. Bassanio was unwilling to part away with the ring because he had solemnly promised to his wife Portia to keep it up for ever and ever and not to give it up to anyone. But at the request of his friend Antonio, Bassanio became ready to part away the ring to the judge. Bassanio gave ring to Gratiano and asked him to give the ring to the judge, who had just left in anger. When Gratiano came to hand over the ring to Portia, the judge, Nerissa also demanded the ring from Gratiano as a token of the service rendered to his friend and master. So Gratiano unwillingly yielded to his request, and while handing over the ring of Bassanio to Portia, he gave his own ring to Nerissa, his wife. Taking the rings with them, Portia and Nerissa reached Belmont. When Antonio, Bassanio, Gratiano reached Belmont, Nerissa demanded the ring back from her husband Gratiano. Gratiano replied that he had given the ring to the clerk of the judge, but Nerissa took him to task by pointing out that he had given it to some other girl. The quarrel increased between the two lovers. In the meantime, Portia intervened and pointed out to Gratiano that he had acted unwisely in giving away the ring. She said that her husband Bassanio would never do so. At this stage, Gratiano informed Portia that Bassanio too had given away the ring to the judge who had saved the life of Antonio. On learning this, Portia asked Bassanio whether he had really parted away with the marriage ring which she had given to him to keep as a sacred relic of their wedlock. Bassanio had to confess his guilt. He only stated that the ring had been given to the judge who had saved the life of Antonio. The ring was given as a token of gratefulness to the judge. Portia was not satisfied with this explanation and insisted that the ring had been given to some girl from Bassanio loved, whom Bassanio loved. At this stage, Antonio intervened. He pointed out to Portia that Bassanio and Gratiano had parted away with their rings for his sake. He was really responsible for the loss of the rings. Then Portia disclosed the entire fact about the trial scene and how she and Nerissa had gone disguised as judge and clerk, and how the life of Antonio had been saved. Portia then brought out the same ring and gave it to Bassanio to keep it safe future. Nerissa also gave back the ring to Gratiano. The two husbands were soon reconciled to their wives, and an atmosphere of happiness prevailed at the end. This, in short, is the ring episode in The Merchant of Venice. Significance of the ring episode. Though the ring episode is not a principal part of the story and is a minor episode, yet it has a significance of its own. It serves then one purpose. The first purpose of this episode is ring episode throws light on the character of Portia. In the trial scene, Portia was serious, masculine, and grave. If the ring episode had not been introduced, the full picture of Portia's character would not have come before us. In the ring episode scene, Portia comes before us a sportive and light-hearted lady of love. She has lost her seriousness and is happy and gay at heart. Secondly, the ring episode enables Antonio, Bassanio, and Gratiano to realize that Antonio had been saved by Portia's skill without the confirmation of the ring. Bassanio would not have believed the story of Portia of the trial scene. Bassanio might have thought that Portia had saved Antonio's life. Thirdly, the ring episode introduces the atmosphere of relief and light-heartedness and is a good contrast from the tense and tragic seriousness of the trial scene that preceded it. In this way, the ring episode is very important in the play Merchant of Venice because it throws the light on the character of Portia and it creates the atmosphere of humor and wit in the play The Merchant of Venice. So students, this is also an important question for the final examination. After the trial scene, the ring episode is very important. In the next video, I will describe the title of the play The Merchant of Venice, which is also equally important. So thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.